how to find fundraisers and crisis notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find fundraisers and crisis notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings, and here notifications, and go down. Here you will find this one, fundraisers and crisis, and you can manage here anything you want, and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.